Hi, this is Mike Potter from True Wealth Financial. And in this video, I want to give you an overview of Right Capital. Right Capital is a financial planning tool, as well as an account aggregation tool, as well as a communication mechanism or portal for an advisor and a client to communicate and share information. There's essentially two sides to it. There's the advisor side, which is what you're seeing here, and then there's the client side. The client side is kind of a slimmed down version of what you will see here. The first thing you will have access on the client side is that of a snapshot. So this snapshot gives us a high-level visual depiction of the various metrics or aspects of your current finance. So in this example here, we have probability of success for our plan, net worth, effective tax rate, a summary of your balance sheet, again, some account allocations in terms of investments, as well as your tax allocations with those investments. So this gives you a good overview of what you would see on your side. Additionally, on the profile, there's a handful of other things as well. So again, giving a high level sample here, we have Steve and Sarah sample, and so this gives us a graphical depiction of our net worth. It includes assets as well as liabilities in red or debts. Also would include insurance overlay as well. So there's a lot of different things. Again, there's tools that we could see graphically that are laid out here. So they're getting a new car every 4 years and some college in the future, maybe another home and retirements down there. And then again, a high level depiction of income coming in, as well as savings rates, as well as expenses if there were any listed here. So these are the two pieces that you would see is the dashboard and the portal. When we walk through the creating of a profile, these are actually the different 6 tabs that you'll fill in: net worth, goals, income, summary, expenses, and family composition. We'll go into details of those in future videos. Additionally, there's a whole bunch of other planning aspects of investments here, for example, tax allocations, and this is where the data is pulled for those high-level visualizations that we saw earlier, as well as the holdings that, in this case, Steve and Sarah have. They're basically Vanguard and Apple fans, as you can see here. So a lot of data can go in here. And so the nice thing about this is, again, it's an account aggregation tool. So it'll pull in data from your IRAs, as well as your 401ks, as well as HSA accounts, pensions, and it can all be visualized here. So right now you would have to go into one account and log into something here and another account to see something there. Well, this basically pulls it all together and aggregates it. While retirement isn't necessarily a major goal of wealth builders initially getting started, it is something that's very important in the long scheme of your financial life. And so things like how you're doing, we can stress test this, how Social Security would look like, the timing of Social Security, how much Social Security you would get over your lifetime, things like that. It has a very good insurance element. So insurance is all about protecting the downside of things. So we can add life insurance, disability, long-term care, which is for nursing home, as well as property and casualty, which is homeowners and auto and potentially an umbrella liability protection. So again, this adds a handful of things that more traditional financial planning tools don't from a wealth building perspective. College education is important for some, or advanced degrees for yourself, so a lot of educational planning stuff. It has some tax things in there as well, what it estimates based upon income, what your tax rates will be over time. One of the nice features that I really like is it actually helps project future tax forms, so we could see what a potential tax form return would look like in 2030, as well as a lot of different schedules and even AMT in there as well. So this is very informative when it comes to planning scenarios. So we could say, if we do this, what's the tax impact? If we do that, what's the tax impact? So very, very helpful in that regard, as well as some estate things here. So again, there's a lot of good things from a planning. So it's an account aggregation, it's a planning tool. Additionally, it is also a communication mechanism. So this is a spot where we can share documents. So when you log in, you'll see various different things here. One of the things I do want to point out, Right Capital, I'll include this in your vault as well, which is all the different security features that it has, very up-to-date, very robust data security measures, runs off of Amazon Web Cloud. So very good there. So inherent protection, multi-factor, things like that. But inside of even these folders here, for example, this is how to get a current version of your credit report and the steps to go about doing that. You can download it or you can just visualize it. So this is a spot where we will be able to share information. Additionally, there's a private folder that only you could see or only I could see as well. So hopefully that you see the value in this. We'll go through future steps of how to build things out. The last thing I want to mention in this video is that this tool is very data dependent. So meaning the better data we can put in, the better data we have going out and visualize and can utilize. So these will be the 6 different aspects, again, that you'll fill out in the data gathering profile establishment of your account. I'm going to do a different video on all of these and show you how to enter that data in. Again, this is Mike Potter from True Wealth Financial. Hopefully this video has been informative to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hope you have a great day.